Continuing on with our view of the RingPlan app features, I'm going to show you contacts. Now with contacts, we have a contact feature in here, and anytime that you interact with somebody, we'll automatically kind of grab that information, and then later on when you want to find them, you can search for somebody's name, and anybody with the name of John that I've ever interacted with will show up in my list. And then if I wanted to, I could click on that specific person, drill down into their actual contact. And I can do things, when I do find a contact that I want to contact, I can call them, and that will pop their number into the dial pad for me, and then I could hit dial if I wanted to. I could message them, and that will again allow me to pick which number I want to call message from if I'm going to do that. And I can see their details. And that's the same thing as if I click on their name, it'll do the same thing. And if this is a system contact, so I'm not going to be able to delete this one, but this one I could technically delete this since it's one that I added. And these contacts can be used anywhere inside the RingPlan app. Lastly, if I just want to add a new person, I can click on it here and just add them in. And there's all kinds of different fields that you can fill out, which company they work for, and those will be available throughout the different sections of the RingPlan app. All right, now it's your turn.